This Kenwood induction hob is designed to make sure that you can cook with confidence every time. The double zone allows you to bridge cooking zones together to create a bigger heating zone that's capable of effectively heating larger cookware. No pan is too big for this versatile hob. Never find yourself lacking sufficient cooking space. Use the booster function when you require a little extra kick. Each zone includes this helpful function which gives you more power and faster heating, ideal for when you need to quickly bring water to boil. The safety features include a child lock, which prevents the settings from being altered mid-cooking. The residual heat indicators inform you of when cooking surfaces are safe to touch once you're finished using the appliance. Now you can enjoy cooking safely and without worry. This easy-to-use electric induction hob from Kenwood provides effective cooking and has a stylish, smooth surface that's easy to wipe clean.